Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel where we talk about quick and easy, delicious, keto-friendly food. In this video, we are going to take a look at a keto version of the traditional Thanksgiving classic stuffing. This super easy and quick recipe takes only 5 minutes and uses only 4 ingredients. You'll need almond flour, butter, an egg, and any other ingredients that you use in your traditional family recipe for stuffing. Here, I've chosen to use some smoked sausages for flavor. You may use any other meats. Bacon is a good example, as well as any other vegetables like celery or broccoli are also good choices. So we'll first measure out about a 1/4 cup of the almond flour. That's about 4 tablespoons. My spoon's a little bigger, so I used 3 spoonfuls. Next, we'll just cut up the sausages into small pieces, almost diced, just so it can incorporate nicely into the stuffing mix. And as you see, we also have a tablespoon or pat of butter, as well as an egg. And lastly, we're gonna need a mug. So everything happens in this mug. First, we'll take the butter and we'll melt it in the microwave for about 15 to 30 seconds. To the melted butter, we then add the rest of the ingredients. Now here's where you can add any seasoning you like. I always start with some salt and pepper. Here I used sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Next, I add some granulated garlic powder, as well as some cayenne pepper for that kick. I would say I added about a teaspoon of the salt, pepper, and garlic, and just a pinch of the cayenne pepper. Lastly, I'd like to add maybe half a tablespoon of Italian seasoning just to give that herbal flavor. Now the rest of the ingredients go in, and we crack an egg on it. Last, we just stir all the ingredients together and ensure that they are well mixed and all the seasoning and flavors are together. Just scraping down the sides to make sure it's nice and uniform. Now we just pop this in the microwave for 90 seconds, and that's it. And look at that, it has risen a little bit, and it is done. Now this is very hot, so we'll let it cool for a few seconds. And now we're ready to take a knife to scrape down the sides to loosen it up, although it's already coming apart from the mug quite easily. All that's left is to dump it on a plate, and it comes right out. Look at that. Beautiful, keto-friendly stuffing. Perfect as a side for Thanksgiving. Now be careful, it is hot. I would let it cool for a couple minutes before digging in. Now everybody's recipe for stuffing is a little different. If you find this to be a bit dry for your tastes, you can add a tablespoon of oil to the recipe. Or if it's too wet and you like to add a lot of gravy on it later, then we can reduce the amount of butter. But either way, this is a beautiful stuffing that feels and tastes just like regular stuffing, and it is completely keto friendly. Time to eat. Let's try our warm, freshly made keto stuffing, and the whole thing took less than 5 minutes and only 90 seconds in the microwave. This is very good. It tastes just like regular stuffing. All the herbs and spices really do shine through. It's a soft, moist stuffing, and if I had some turkey drippings from Thanksgiving, I would add that, making this an even more delicious stuffing inside to eat with Thanksgiving dinner. And there you have it, a quick and easy, keto-friendly stuffing recipe that is a perfect side with your Thanksgiving dinner. Here I'm showing you the nutritional labels and nutritional facts for both the almond flour here, that has 2 grams of net carbs per serving, and of the shorty sausages that we used in this recipe, less than 1 gram of net carbs per serving. And totaling that all up with the almond flour, sausage, the butter, and the eggs, what we saw here was about 490 calories, 42 grams of fat, 2 grams of net carbs, and 20 grams of protein. Well, that's it for another video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.